Doo doo doo.
You gotta put that in so it plays every time you're on a mission.
Doo doo doo. I hear water. The water level's up. So what we're going to do is we're going to check along the streams. And how we do that, we look at the change in elevation. So right in through here, we'll look at the height of the water and the height of the land. And then we'll look on the side, like right in through here, find the liner. Another good indication of water loss, especially this late in the season. It's last day in August, and when you've got a lot of string algae on a well-balanced system, you should not get a lot of string algae. String algae will pop up because a pond becomes unbalanced. Look at Mr. Frog here spitting. It's so natural, isn't it? So what'd you find, Brian?
Negative.
Negative.
Nope.
So what we found here is a low spot along the liner that had settled down. So we're going to pack some soil behind the liner and raise it up. Keep it right behind the rocks there, and should be good to go. Another area could have been right in through here. So we're going to pack some soil behind that as well. So if you've noticed significant water loss in your pond, first thing to do, shut your pond off for 24 hours. Let's isolate the leak. We want to separate the stream from the pond. If the pond hasn't gone down, we're going to suspect that the stream has got a small leak or a significant leak to it. So we want to look along the stream sides, find the liners, and any wet spots, maybe along mulch. Maybe mulch has creeped into the edge of the rockwork, and it could be wicking some of the water out. Or in this case, it was low liner. So all in all, if you can't find it yourself, give us a call. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.